To turn on, press 2 seconds. To change to the menu mode, press 2 seconds as well. If you want to back to the automatic mode, we can do this by pressing 2 seconds. And we got the menu here. 2 seconds to turn on, 5 seconds to turn off. And then while it's on, we can use 2 seconds to change it to automatic or menu. Now if I want to turn it off, I press it 5 seconds.